bun. This looks so freaking good.
Fuck your roll. Hey, go, no, where? Hey, go, no, where? If there ever was a shake test, that was it. Cause my bun is hot. I feel like Marge Simpson. Y'all know she's black, right? She black. What white person you know have high texture that defies gravity? Marge Simpson is black. That's all I gotta say. But this bun is not looking as cute as it did earlier, but luckily there's an unwritten rule that you don't judge a wig reviewer's hair. I mean, I can judge the hair, the wig, but y'all don't judge the natural hair, right? Isn't that like an unwritten rule? Is that just in my mind? Ye who judge first, judge last, just... Yeah, we are back with another wig review. We are reviewing Ft.UNICE. I used to say Unice, or I say a nice, but yeah, it's Ft.UNICE. So we are reviewing a wig from Ft.UNICE. I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember what wig I agreed to, so it is going to be a surprise to me. Let's unbox her, yeah? Oh, speaking of which, I'm always a fan of their pink boxes. I think it's so pretty, so cute, so feminine. Rap hard, but I'm feminine. Isn't that what Nicki Minaj said? And it goes with the Nicki Minaj theme, you know? Pink for barbs. We have a wig cap. This wig cap is an HD wig cap, so it's really good for if you want to do the ball cap method. It also comes with a headband to lay them edges down. We got some branded, Ft.UNICE branded nails, the grippers. They're pink. This is my second one. Let me know if I should add that into my giveaway. Oh, spoiler alert, I'm gonna have a giveaway. It also comes with a bag. It is a silk drawstring bag. You guys know I am a sucker for drawstrings, baby. Oh, that was so satisfying. Let's do it again. What else is in here? Yeah, we actually have two. One ain't enough. I need two. And of course the hair itself, which like I said, y'all, I don't remember what hair I agreed to, so it's going to be a surprise to me. So I'm gonna share my reaction to whatever type hair this is going to be. Oh, it's actually on here. HD glueless wig, so it is glueless. And I like the fact that it says right here on the barcode, it is disinfected. So the hair is already disinfected. Let's open her up. Ooh. Okay, what? I can't figure out that smell, but it doesn't stink. That's all that matters. We don't want no odor. We want an aroma. So I'm reading the plastic bag, the barcode. It says YK, I think that's Yaki. And it says 24. So I'm pretty sure it's a Yaki 24 inch. This is giving very much texture. And we love texture. Look at this bun. Look at this hair. Texture. Okay, so okay. I can already tell just looking at the lace, this is a pre-everything. So pre-cut. Knots are already bleached, yep, and it's plucked, yep. It's looking real good. That middle part is looking very centered because if you guys are anything like me, I struggle with the middle part. I stay in the middle part, but unbeknownst to you, I struggle getting that middle part. So yeah, that's cool that it comes with the middle part already. Let's take this piece out. I'm going to show you guys the actual construction of the wig. We'll bust her wide open so y'all can see all in the middle. It comes with one comb in the back. This part right here is very elastic, like the very back of the wig. It's elastic, and it also has adjustable straps for extra security. And this C-shaped design better helps to fit around the ears. If you're part of the elf gang like me, you got big ears, or if you wear glasses, or if you got a big head, or if it's just like uncomfortable in general, that C shape is really to help around the ears. I know that's right. Oh, we have a removable elastic strap. I'm gonna keep this on. I've been keeping my elastic straps on because it helps to lay my hair down. She's very confined in this bun. I have a lot of hair, and I use this to lay my hair down a little flatter in the back for like extra security. Make sure it's like tighter. 5x5 thin BlendAway HD lace. If your wig doesn't have like maximum lace space, you can still wear a side part, and I'm going to show you also that you can wear a side part using this wig. And so far I'm really loving the way that it feels. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. Whoa, I can't just put her on. I actually had to braid my hair down. I just know y'all ain't judging me for the way my hair looks right now. I just know y'all not. because we family. And family don't judge. Right? Y'all, isn't this cute? Like, if it was a little straight, and I have it in 2 twists, so what I'm gonna do is just kind of like do a little rapidy motion, you know? The good thing about these Weirgo wigs is that I don't have to do too much to it. I'm gonna put you guys down just a little bit because y'all look a little elevated. What I have here is the 330. I have the Fit Me 330 powder. It's the matte and poreless. I actually like to use this on my lace first. Yeah, so it makes a slight difference. What do y'all think? I think it does. I tighten the strap just a little more for extra security. All right, so what I like to do first is just measure it up to my head. So I use the strap to lay and hold my hair down in the back, and then I flip it over, and then I flip the hair over. Boom, bada boom, baby. Boom, bada boom, bada bum, bada bum. This looks good. You nice, you did it again, girl. You did it again, you did it again. Yeah, she fits so good around my ears. It doesn't make any sense. Did I just accidentally find out that I can put this in a ponytail? I'm actually gonna use some bronzer on my hairline because my hairline is actually darker than the rest of my skin. So I can't put regular foundation there. So I don't actually use foundation on my forehead because of that fact. So I'm just going to use some of this bronzer to tint the lace. And as you can see, it's disappearing. She is disappearing. She got that disappearing act going on. Okay, so I'm just going to use a little bit more powder. Make sure it's covered. You see that? It makes a difference, y'all. I'm telling you, use powder that matches your forehead shade, not your scalp shade, so that it blends better. That looks real good. Come a little closer so y'all can see. Yeah, she's definitely blended, y'all. She is definitely blended. Just wow. Normally I would have to use mousse to lay it down, but it's laid flat. So they claim that the BlendAway HD lace is the thinnest lace, and I'm not gonna lie, that is very true, because remember when I said normally I would have to use some type of like mousse, but I don't have to. Like, I literally put it on my head and use some powder. Ooh, let me back up because I can't see. Oh yeah, that's way too much powder. Oops. Okay, that's so much better because I don't know what I was doing, y'all. That was too much powder, too much. I have a wavy top. I'm gonna put her up to 410 and wait for her to heat up a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to just admire myself, I guess, because I really don't have to do anything else. I've been really loving bushy eyebrows, by the way. We have an outfit change and we have a camera swap. Not necessarily a swap. I'm using 2 cameras so y'all can see me flat iron this. Y'all, so this is 24 inches. She is at my hip. Let's go ahead and get her flat ironed. Let's see how well this takes heat. Oh. Oh, y'all can see more of her length now. She's like way down there. Oh, wow. Yeah, she's long, y'all. She is long. Y'all see that? Oh, she's looking real good. This is some good hair. I like it. Look, she is looking real good. That's it, y'all. That is all. Hair is done. This looks so freaking good. I just popped her on my head and put some powder on my lace and I flat ironed it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's all. Oh, shake test. Rock and roll ain't going nowhere. Rock and roll ain't going nowhere. Rock and roll ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere. If there ever was a shake test, that was it. Cause okay. Can't nobody top that shake test. This could be my hair. I just gotta flatten it some more, so let me get my hot comb. We gonna hit it with the hot comb. Hey, can I hit it in the morning? Hey, can I hit it in the morning? Hey. If you look for baby hairs, you in the wrong place, shorty. The wrong place. That's just a little bit of flyaways. I'm gonna use some OGX oil mist to lay down the flyaways, and that looks so good. That's all it needed. That is all it needed. That looks so good, you guys. As much as me and hot combs don't mix, I can't deny the magic it brings when it's used, because this was giving very much bulky, but using the hot comb really flattened it down. And so, yeah, hot combs, you and I, we have a love-hate relationship. A love-hate relationship, I tell you. I think I found my look for the fall season. It's going to be a bust down, kinky 24-inch. So they trademarked the BlendAway. So that means nobody else got this, right? Because it's trademarked. Like, this is their stuff. Like, this is theirs. So they claim that the BlendAway HD lace is the thinnest lace. And I'm not gonna lie, that is very true, because remember when I said normally I would have to use some type of like mousse, but I don't have to. Like, I literally put it on my head and use some powder, and that was it. That's the beauty of the BlendAway thin lace, because it's so thin, you don't have to worry about using mousse to melt down the lace. It's already thin enough. So that extra step, it's done. It's done. Throw it away. You guys, Canon straight violated. Canon did not record all of my footage. Canon did not record what I said. So now I have to basically redo everything. Well, not everything, but I was essentially showing you guys that the wig can be worn in a side part. Like, a lot of times we look at a 5x5 unit and say, oh, I can only wear it in a middle part, but that is furthest from the truth. And I'm going to show you that you can actually wear this in a the deepest side part. And I suppose it's a perfect opportunity to show you that the wig looks good the next day. When we get a fresh unit, it looks so good the first day, because it's the first day we're wearing the hair. It's always going to look great the first day, but here it is, it's the second day and it still looks amazing. I just slipped her on, no makeup. Yeah, so I'm also showing you that she does not have to be worn with makeup. Sometimes a lot of these wigs, like, you put her on because she's glueless, you have to wear makeup, but no, you don't have to wear makeup with this wig. I have bare face, no lashes, no foundation, no Nathan. Of course, I still have the powder on from last night because I put powder on the edges so that it blends better with my skin tone. So yeah, I popped her on. She's still looking good the very next day. I didn't do anything else to her but pop her on and put a little bit of oil on top so that, you know, flyaways are controlled. I didn't have to flat iron it again, and she's still flowy. She's definitely a good investment. So I'm gonna show you that even though this is like 5x5 lace parting space, you don't have to be conformed to just a middle part. You can definitely have a deep side part. It is the easiest thing to do. Literally, all you're doing is just moving the lace to the side. I wanna find where the lace starts, which is like right here. And I'm gonna push it all the way to where my ears are, and I'm gonna make sure that it lines up with where my ears start, because that's what's gonna create the deep part look. However, I don't like how she's just like kind of like straight and angled. So what I'm gonna do is create a curve. I think I like that right there. Straighten her up a little more. The easiest thing to do. Here we go, hot comb. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ooh, that was scary. Gonna brush it. I'm not the best when it comes to scissors, so I'm not gonna cut any layers in it. Yes, I am. So just a little bit, not too much. I don't wanna do too much. Okay, see, not too much. Frames it a little more. Yeah, what y'all think? I like that. It looks more natural. It looks like Aaliyah, reminds me of Aaliyah. Rock the boat, rock the boat. You do it on one side, you gotta do it to the other. So I'm gonna just frame it just a little bit, not too much. Okay. Okay, that looks
so much better.
Now, I don't think this is necessary, but I am gonna put just a little bit of powder in the part just to kind of define it a little more. I'm not gonna lie, I was really upset at first, the fact that I had to redo the side part, but this came out a little better than the first time. So I guess that's a message in itself. Like, I don't know, let the message speak to you. And yeah, there you have it, a deep side part. Don't let the size of a lace space discourage you. You can still have a side part even with minimal lace space. And if I'm completely honest, like, first of all, not only is the lace like really good, it's so thin, like you don't really need to do too much. Edges, be gone. All I can say is that this is a beautiful, beautiful wig. I feel more myself. I feel like me when I wear wigs that are like resemblance of my natural texture. Yaki, kinky, like some type of kinky curly, kinky coily texture. Like I feel like it's me. Like I don't feel like I'm putting on a wig. I feel like I am just like enhancing what I have. I don't feel like I'm fraudulent, you know? Like I feel like I'm me. It's giving Shartia. And what more can I ask? I hope that makes sense. I don't know. Even though the side part looks cute and I was just showing you guys for reference, I am still team middle part. Let me know in the comments down below which team you are. You team middle part, you team side part. If you like what you see, I have a direct link down below and it'll have all the details on this wig. And I'm pretty sure there's probably going to be a discount also because Ft.UNICE always with it with the discounts, okay? They don't play. They always help you save your coins. And that's what I appreciate about Ft.UNICE. So thank you once again, Ft.UNICE, for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Ooh, this was so great. I love doing wig reviews. Oh, my life is amazing. I'm so happy.